What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can buy Ethereum on the Trading 212 app. Now before we continue, please keep in mind that nothing mentioned in this video is financial advice and I'm not a registered financial advisor. So this video is strictly for informational and educational purposes only, and also please do your own research before purchasing any cryptocurrency. And now with that out of the way, let's go ahead and continue. Now, first off, once you open up your Trading 212 app, just go ahead and make sure you're actually on the crypto section of the app. So just go ahead and tap at the upper left corner, and here you can see I am on the crypto section of the app. So just go ahead and tap on your homepage right here and select the cryptocurrency that you want to purchase. So in this video we'll be purchasing some Ethereum. Now I will just tap on Ethereum right here, or you can search it in this search menu, but I will just select it from here. And now once you're on the Ethereum section, just go ahead and tap on buy. And here input the amount of Ethereum that you want to purchase. Now you can leave it in euros, or you can switch it to the actual ETH value, but I will just leave it in euros. So I will just tap, let's say, 3 euros of Ethereum that I want to purchase, and I will just tap on review order. Now here you can just see the roundup of any fees that are associated and the amount of Ethereum that you're actually purchasing. So if you're alright with this, just go ahead and tap on send by order. And there we go. So I just purchased about 3 euros of Ethereum, and I will just tap on OK. And now if I go back to my portfolio section, I would be able to see that Ethereum that we just purchased. So essentially that's, guys, how you can purchase Ethereum or buy Ethereum on the Trading 212 crypto section of the app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.